Why your garlic stays small and how to fix it. Here's the truth. The difference between puny garlic bulbs and giant store-worthy ones isn't luck, it's the soil. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the secret recipe for soil that practically forces garlic to grow bigger, better, and tastier. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the one soil mistake almost everyone makes that secretly strangles garlic growth. Why soil matters? Garlic isn't just another vegetable. It's a nutrient-hungry, root-deep, bulb-forming powerhouse. And unlike shallow crops, garlic spends months in the ground, pulling minerals and moisture from its surroundings. If the soil is wrong, the garlic won't just grow poorly. It'll stay stunted, diseased, or split. Think of soil as garlic's gym. Weak training ground equals weak results. But when we optimize it, garlic gets swole. Yes, plant bodybuilders exist. What is the ideal soil recipe? So, what's garlic's dream home? Number 1. Well-drained, loamy soil. Garlic hates sitting in soggy ground. It's like making it wear wet socks for months. You need soil that drains, but also holds just enough moisture. Number 2. Nutrient density. Garlic is greedy for nitrogen early on, then demands phosphorus and potassium to fatten up those bulbs. Number 3. Soil structure. Crumbly, loose, airy soil means roots can stretch out and bulbs can expand without hitting concrete walls underground. Why testing your soil is very important. Before you plant, test your soil. Garlic prefers a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6.0 to 7.0. Too acidic, and nutrients get locked away. Too alkaline, and you'll get stunted growth. A $15 soil test kit is your garlic insurance policy. Trust me, it's cheaper than wasting months growing miniature bulbs. Why amending the soil is another important thing also to do? Garlic is a diva. It demands room service. Start with organic compost to feed the soil life. Then add nitrogen boosters early. Composted manure, blood meal, or even alfalfa meal. As the season progresses, ease off the nitrogen and give garlic a bulb booster with phosphorus and potassium. Think of it like training. Early on, protein shakes for growth. Later, muscle-building minerals for bulk. Garlic is basically bodybuilding underground. Another important thing also to consider in planting garlic is perfect drainage and aeration. Drainage makes or breaks garlic. If your soil is heavy clay, raise it up. Use raised beds or ridges. Mix in sand or perlite for aeration. Garlic roots need oxygen as much as water. And don't forget mulch. Straw or shredded leaves keep moisture steady and stop weeds from stealing garlic's dinner. Here's a fun fact. Garlic doesn't actually eat fertilizer. It feeds on what the soil life processes for it. Earthworms, microbes, and fungi are the chefs of garlic's underground restaurant. Brew compost tea, add worm castings, and avoid chemicals that nuke the soil food web. Healthy soil life, Cabos happy garlic. Here are the common mistakes we made in planting garlic. Most garlic growers fail because they over-fertilize with nitrogen, plant in compacted soil, or ignore. Drainage. Ever dig up garlic and find tiny mushy bulbs? That's a drainage disaster. Or bulbs that split apart? That's uneven feeding. Remember, garlic is unforgiving, but it's also predictable once you get the soil right.